Salem, hello. I'm Professor Douglas Hartman at Michigan State University in the U.S., and I want to wish the Bolashақ International Scholarship Program a very happy anniversary. And I offer congratulations to the nearly 14,000 Bolashақ scholars who have studied at top universities around the world. The many ways you're using your education to serve others is impressive, and it aligns with Kazakhstan's goal to be one of the top 30 developed countries in the world by the year 2050. I've met many Bolashақ scholars while lecturing and researching in Kazakhstan and heard stories about your educational experiences in the US, Canada, UK, Europe, Asia, Russia, and Asia. And these are extraordinary stories of leaving your family and friends for a few years to experience a new country and culture and learn new ideas while studying long hours, all to reach your dream. And then returning home one day as a new person with new knowledge and skills to really shape a new future for your family, community, country, and profession. I've also met current Bolashақ scholars who are preparing now to one day shape the future of Kazakhstan. And I've met most of these current Bolashақ scholars here at Michigan State University, where I am right now. And they're studying in our top-ranked programs. And in fact, I'm standing in the lobby of one of our world-renowned colleges, the College of Education, where we prepare school teachers, school leaders, university administrators, educational policymakers, economists, psychologists, test designers, researchers, and even sports psychologists and sports scientists. Our college is currently ranked number 2 in the world, and our teacher education programs have been ranked number 1 in the US for the last 26 years. The college is but one example of the world-class degree programs here on campus. And we're proud to have Bolashақ scholars studying in these programs right now, preparing for their future and for Kazakhstan's future. So congratulations on this special anniversary to both the Bolashақ scholars and the visionary leaders who started the program and now administer it. I want to end by thanking you for what you've contributed to our university and other universities around the world. Sharing your ideas and experiences has helped us all understand more about you and ourselves as we live together on this planet. By giving your very best in your university studies, you're making the future better for others. And you've left a legacy that lives on in the lives of those who studied and worked while also a Bolashақ scholar. It's a really impressive legacy, and one that I'm sure makes all of Kazakhstan proud and will change the future. So congratulations and thank you. Happy anniversary, Bolashақ.